Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Suplado Moto. Okay, for tonight's vlog, let's talk about men are territorial by nature. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Ladies, hindi ibig sabihin pag sinasabi namin don't wear provocative clothes is insecure na kami. Pag sinabi namin don't post any sexy photos on your social media is toxic na kami. No, hindi. Tandaan mo, men are protector and the provider of the relationship. So by default, I need to protect you and I need to protect our relationship. So ibig sabihin, pinili mo ko na maging leader ng relationship sa kabila ng maraming nag-a-approach sa'yo, maraming nag-e-entertain sa'yo, at maraming kumakausap sa'yo. Ako ang napili mo na the best guy. So may karapatan akong sabihin kung ano ang dapat mong gawin para mas mag-work ang relationship natin. Hindi porkit yung kaibigan mo, yung boyfriend niya, pinapayagan siyang mag-post ng sexy photos. Sa akin, hindi pwede yun. Unang-una, like I said, pinili mo ko because I'm the best. Okay? By definition, you want a guy that can protect and provide for you. So, I need to do those things na ginagawa ng lalaki in order for you to feel what? Safe and secured. Because women always looking for the security. Ngayon, kung hindi ka susunod, what's the point of having a relationship? Kung ikaw mismo ayaw mong protektahan yung sarili mo. Tandaan mo, once na in a relationship ka na sa akin or kanino mang lalaki, it means that you need to follow him. Kaya wag kang maniwala sa kaibigan mong babae na siya pinapayagan ng boyfriend niya na gawin kahit ano. Tandaan mo, yung mga ganong lalaki na hindi ka mapagbawalan, ibig sabihin, wala silang balls para sabihin yun sa'yo. Gets mo? Or wala siyang balls para sabihin dun sa girlfriend niya na please stop doing that because you're sabotaging our fruitful relationship. Gets mo? Ladies, can we be honest? You are attracted sa lalaki na nagpro-protect at nagpo-provide sa'yo. So by definition, you are attracted sa traditional guy. Diba? So kami rin, we are more attracted sa traditional women. Ngayon, kung hindi mo kayang maging traditional women, so bakit kailangan namin maging traditional men? Bakit kailangan namin sunduin ka? Bakit kailangan namin ihatid ka? Kung ayaw mong maging traditional woman. So kaya nga, sumunod ka sa gusto ng boyfriend mo because we are territorial by nature. Kailangan naming ingatan yung mga bagay na importante sa amin. Yung bahay nga pag nanakawan, nilalagyan kagad ng CCTV or tinataasan ng bakod. Ikaw pa kaya na pwede ko makasama sa panghabang buhay? Or ikaw pa kaya na pwedeng maging ina ng aking magiging anak? Tapos sasabihin mo, it's already 2024? Understandable na daw yun. Ha? Sino nagsabi? Ngayon, kung ikaw naniniwala ka sa 50-50 relationship, then how about this? Hatid mo ako at sunduin mo rin ako minsan. May 1 week na ikaw magsusundo sa akin at may 1 week na ako susundo sa'yo. How about that, girl? When it comes to relationship, man has the capability to lead the relationship. That's why you need to follow. Ngayon, kung tingin mo kaya mong mag-offer ng masigit sa kayang i-offer ng lalaki sa'yo, then good. Pero most of the time, women are just what? Extractor by nature. Kaya nga, you get more benefits. I don't know, pag reach mo ng 40, I don't know kung ganun pa rin kataas ang libido ko pagdating sa sexual access. Pero isa lang masisigurado ko, kailangan ko pa rin mag-protect at mag-provide sa'yo. Lalo na kung may anak tayo. Gets mo? So kaya nga, kung maliit na bagay, na pinagbabawalan kita, makinig ka. Kasi yung mga ganun simple things, it matters for all of us men. Kung ganung bagay, hindi mo masunod, then we need to think about it. Kung itutuloy natin to na pangmatagalan, pwede nating ituloy. Pero pwedeng pangkamahan lang. Kung gusto mo ako mag-agree sa terms and condition mo, sure, why not? But don't expect me to do traditional things. Remember, ladies, men reject women covertly. Ibig sabihin, hindi namin sasabihin sa'yo kung ano yung mga ayaw namin pag hindi ka na sumusunod. Ilalagay ka namin sa category na alam mo na pwedeng for the streets. Gets? So please, ladies, understand that we men are territorial by nature. Hindi po biro ang magprotekta sa inyo because we need to give effort and a lot of energy para lang maibigay sa inyo yung nararapat sa relationship. So yun lang guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.